State Dog Kennel. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. We here, y'all. We here. We here. We here. We got sister out here today on this bright and dusty Thursday evening. We got sister out here, y'all. Is it Thursday evening? We'll call it Thursday evening, y'all, where it actually is Wednesday evening. But we got sister out here, y'all. Today's topic, pregnancy, female pregnancy. As you can see, sister look like she's coming along a little bit. Look like she's coming along with the pregnancy. I don't know for sure, but just from experience, it looks like she's gaining a little weight in the area that you look at when you're looking for pregnancy signs. Okay, yeah, but thank you for joining. Welcome. We here, State Dog Kennel. We here again. All my subscribers, thank you for tapping in. If you don't tap in but 1 or 2 minutes, hey, that helps, y'all. Please like, please subscribe. Hey, and I will appreciate it, and I will pay it back someday. But anyway, let's talk about pregnancies in any dog, not just female pit bull, Rottweilers, any female dog. First of all, the dog should be about at least 18 to 24 months, depending on the size of the breed and the maturation of the female. Should be about 18 to 24 months. So that's about 1.5 to 2 years. You should wait till then, because before then, the heat cycles, you gotta definitely see a heat cycle before anything. Definitely need a heat cycle. You need to see the signs of the menstrual cycle that they're having, and you need to make sure they're having a menstrual cycle first and foremost, because if they're not having a cycle yet, being a female, they're not ready. So yeah, definitely keep that in mind. I usually wait about 2 years, 2.5 years before I do any kind of breeding with my female, if that's what the case is. Yes, I don't. You need to wait. Just don't hurry it. If it happened by mistake, oh well, it happens like that. So let it happen, but try to do the necessary precautions to bring the puppies into the world and help the mother have a healthy and safe pregnancy, because they can have complications just like females. They can have complications just like females. So you gotta watch. Take them to the vet at least one time. Make sure you deworming them every month. Try to keep the worms out of them as much as possible. And that's pretty much what you got to do with the mother. Make sure she got clean water and food when she need it, or she's not gonna eat it all at once, being a mother and doing a pregnancy, but she'll eat it at will, at her choice, at her leisure time. So you don't have to push her to eat more. She don't have to eat more. She eat just like she eating, during any time. The habits might change, but they'll make sure they're doing the right thing for their children or babies, incoming babies. So yeah, sister, July 2nd, I'm thinking that's when her and Bo kind of hooked up, I think. So today is the 23rd, so that puts it right at 3 weeks, y'all. So a pregnancy cycle for a dog is about 57 to 63 days. So that's about 8 to 9 weeks. Any more than 10 weeks, you need to rush her to the vet. But yeah, usually take about on that 62nd, 63rd day. They could come earlier than that, but on that particular day, that particular span of days, you can expect puppies to be coming, because we usually don't go over 63, 64 days, y'all. So yeah, make sure they got a whelping area. Make sure the area is clean. Try to keep it Clean daily, especially when the puppies come. Try to keep it clean daily in the area. The mother, make sure that happens also, but you can help the mother out and do the same. What else? What else? The first 4 weeks is basically on the mother. Her milk and everything that she produces in the milk is substantial for the puppy, so you don't have to worry about no feeding. Just keep them clean and just try to assist the mother in anything you can help her with or you can see her with. The mothers, they get aggravated just like human mothers when, baby's crying and nagging. So you got to give the mother a break during that time, let her get out, go back in. That's what I usually let sister do, give her about 2 to 3, 4 breaks a day. She'll go right back in and go back to her regular business with handling her baby. So you don't have to worry about it. They'll make their own schedule for feeding. Guess it's natural instincts for a mother and her babies to know what time. Usually, if the mother's not there, about every 3 to 4 hours, for about 1 to 14-day-old pups, about 4 to 5 times a day, about every 3 to 4 hours. So you can, if that's without the mother, usually the mother will know, keep them on a schedule. And she knows them by individual. So you don't have to worry about who's who getting fed. The mother will make sure that happens as long as you keep the pups in the vicinity of her, in the vicinity of the mother. Make sure you got an enclosed spot in the whelping area so the puppies can't scramble out, maybe get on the ground, especially if you got them off the ground. Make sure the mother can get access to them and put them back in that area where they need to be. So a whelping box, you need to make sure it's enclosed. Both sides, make sure the front side is high enough for the puppies to not get out, but big enough for the mother to come in and out. Okay, from 4 to 8 weeks, you start getting into the puppies opening their eyes at 2 weeks. So 4 weeks, they starting to eat soft dog food. The mother is starting to wean them off, and she knows how to do that, but you can assist her in that. But she really does know how to do it, especially a second or third time mother. First time mothers catch on quick, so they know what to do also. They'll figure out what to do also. But on that about 7th or 8th week, yeah, they should be eating soft mush dog food or whatever you may be feeding them. Puppy source of food. And it need to be soft up to about the 6th week. When their teeth come out a little bit, 6, 7, 8 weeks, they should be eating hard food then. On that 8th week, if they have a happy home or if you're keeping them, you can kind of associate them in the regular dog pack, but not in an area where they can get on top of them, but in the puppy area, not the whelping box. You can kind of move them in an open kennel after 8 weeks. Yeah, so that's about, at that 8th week, that's about 2 months. So they starting to grow up. First, second, third shot, hopefully at least the first 2 shots. Deworming every 30 to 35 days, and you should be fine. They'll grow up healthy. After the 3rd shot, I usually don't give my dogs no more shots unless it's recommended by the vet or some kind of sickness or back to anything. Maybe get a bite or something that they need to get a shot. But I'm done with vaccinating all my dogs up to date. So they just getting dewormed every month. And we'll go like that, y'all. But anyway, thank you for tapping in. Thank you for tapping in. Today's topic was female mother during pregnancy and after pregnancy. Please like, please subscribe. We got some puppies on the way, y'all. I don't know how many yet, but this is her 2nd time, so she should know what to do. We should keep all of them alive. We'll take a visit to the vet on about the 50th through the 55th day, and we'll go see what the vets say, how many, and we'll stay up to date here on the Dog Kennel, y'all. Please like, please subscribe. State Dog Kennel. We out.